Hello friends, welcome to GK EduZone. In ancient times, Assam is also known by the name of Pragjyotishpur. In ancient Assam, the primary source of income was land tax. Who was the earliest ruler of Assam? Mohirango Danab. Bhagadatta was the son of Narakasur. Who is considered as the daughter of Bhagadatta? Bhanumati. Who is considered as the son of Bhagadatta? Vajradatta. Bhagadatta was dignified with the title Shiva's friend. The Kamrup king who took part in the Mahabharata war was Bhagadatta. Which army was placed under Bhagadatta's command during the Mahabharata war? Kalinga army. Bhagadatta was killed by Arjun. Who was the last king of Burman dynasty? Bhaskar Burman. Bhaskar Burman was also known as Kumar Raja. Contemporary king of Bhaskar Burman was Harshavardhan. The ambassador sent by Bhaskar Burman to Harshavardhan was Hansvag. Yuan Sang visited Assam during the reign of Bhaskar Burman. Who was the founder of Ahom kingdom? Chukafa. Chukafa established the first Ahom capital at Choraidev. Which mountain did Chukafa cross to enter Assam? Patkai mountain. Buragohai and Borgohai posts were created by Chukafa. Chukafa or Ahom Diwas is observed on December 2. Naranarayan was the son of Vishwasingha. The real name of Naranarayan was Malladev. Who was the greatest king of Koch dynasty? Naranarayan. Kamakhya temple was rebuilt by Naranarayan. Naranarayan Setu connects Jogikopa town with Pancharatna town. Who is considered as the founder of Sufism in Assam? Ajan Fakir. The term Sufi derived from which word? Arabic word Suf. Which Sufi has called India a paradise on earth? Amir Khusro. Which sects of Sufis adopted yoga? Chishtiya sects. Which Sufi saint was popularly known as Chirag-e-Dehlavi? Sheikh Nasiruddin Mahmud. Famous medieval saint Shankardev belonged to Vaishnava cult. Shankardev was born in Alipukuri of Nagaon district in 1449. The Bhakti movement was originated in which part of India? South India. Who was the founder of Neo-Vaishnavism in Assam? Shankardev. When did the Neo-Vaishnavite movement of Shankardev take place in Assam? In 16th century. Who laid the foundation of British rule in Assam? David Scott. Who was the first Assamese to protest against British? Gamodar Kaur. The first peasant movement against British rule in Assam was Fulguri Dawa. Who was the president of Swaraj Party in Assam during the freedom movement? Tarunram Phukan. When did Mahatma Gandhi visit Assam for the first time? In 1921. When did the Simon Commission visit Assam? In 1928. Who was the leader of 1857 revolt in Assam? Moniram Dewan. In which year the capital of Assam shifted from Shillong to Dishpur? In 1972. When was the Treaty of Yandabu signed? In 1826. When was the Treaty of Badarpur signed? In 1824. In which year Assam region was separated from Bengal territory and was put under a chief commissioner? In 1874. Which district was separated from Assam and given to Pakistan in 1947? Sylhet. Which person from Assam was a member of drafting committee of the Indian Constitution? Sir Syed Muhammad Sadullah. Who founded the Assam Association in 1903? Manik Chandra Barua. Assam Sahitya Sabha was established in which year? In 1917. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा है तो लाइक और शेयर कीजिए और चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। थैंक यू।